Hello friends, all is well. I hope we are doing well. Children, have you ever thought why and when do children cry? Some of the children cry loudly, some of them cry softly or they sob. Some children cry in front of others, some children cry in privacy. Have you ever cried in happiness? Or have you ever ended your crying into laughter? Yes, we cry in happiness also. Let me tell you an example. When we watch a comic scene or a comedy movie, we laugh too much and suddenly we feel tears in our eyes. Am I right? Yes. Do you know why everyone cries? Because after crying, we feel contented or relaxed. So today, we are going to learn a poem on the same topic, crying. Let's start. So children, this poem Crying has been written by an American poet, Galway Kinnell. In this poem, the poet tells the children not to cry little. In fact, he asks the children to cry their heart out. Galway Kinnell had won one of the most famous Pulitzer Award for his poetry. So now, let's read and enjoy the poem. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, "Hey, what's going on up there?" Ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha. Now let's understand the poem stanza wise. First stanza, crying only a little bit, which ended with splash splash. So here in this stanza, the poet tells the children that crying a little will not be helpful for them. In fact, he appeals the children to cry till their pillow is soaked. Soaked means drenched or wet in tears. And you know why he says so? Why he asks the children to cry too much? Because after crying, the children will feel contented, relaxed. And the poet suggests the children that after crying, they should go and play in the water. They should take a shower. They should take a bath to get happiness. Next stanza. Then you can open your window, which ends with ha ha. Here the poet suggests the children that after crying, they should open their window and laugh loudly and cheerfully. And though their laughter will make family member wonder, and they will ask, "What's going on? What happened?" But children should not pay attention to it at all. And poet asked the children to tell everyone that their happiness was laying in the last year. When their crying is over, now they are feeling happy. And you know why they are feeling happy? Because this is the healing effect of crying, that after crying we feel happy and relaxed. Children, when I was reading the poem, have you observed that in this poem there is no rhyming word, there is no rhythm. So this kind of poem is called free verse poem. Here now we will discuss about word building, and for that I am telling you about the suffix. What is suffix? Suffix is a syllable or a word part which is ended to the end of a word or the last of the word. Like for example, ness. When we add this ness into happy, the word we get happiness. Happy is adjective, ness is suffix, and the word abstract noun we are getting happiness. Same, sad plus ness, sadness. Thick plus ness, thickness. Kind plus ness, kindness. So you can read and make this kind of word in your practice notes. So children, I hope you have enjoyed and understood the poem Crying. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.